What is up, YouTube? Today we will be playing some mining simulator and we will have a giveaway. Comment down below if you were one of these people that won my giveaway. So we will be giving away just some legendary hat crates. If you've seen my other giveaway videos, you know how I do it. I have these little sheets of paper that I write it on. Then I put them in this basket. This basket. And, yeah. This is day 1. I think it was. Okay, I'm doing a giveaway for YouTube. Doing a giveaway for YouTube. Alright, so let's start putting their names on here. S J TH. Wait, TH left. H. B. And T. If you win. Alright, drawing now. First winner. H. First winner. H. Trading, but I draw names from a basket. Alright, so he doesn't appear to want it. So, let's see. Next winner is... Looper is our next winner. Looper is our next winner. There's your prize. There's your prize. Looper wins again. You can only win twice and I take you out of the basket. That's how I do it now. Why not? Why not? 3 of them. Okay, let's see. Our next winner is Jeffy. Next winner is Jeffy. Next winner is Jeffy. He declined. What is reward? Looper want his reward. I'm just gonna give it to Looper. He's really the only one that talks on this server. Alright. Just give this to Looper. Just take 100. Check out my channel. It's Eden Reed. No space in AYD. No space in Eden. Yay, I'm rich. I got 5 coins. You should make that like 100,000 or something. Like, we pay Robux and we barely get squat. Alright, let's buy tools. Buy some tools. Whoa, what the heck is this? Holy shoot. Backpacks. Alright. Now we got the best things that we can get from the main area. Let's get some accessory crates. I want these. I want legendary accessory crates. I have legendary hat crates, and that's about all. Alright, I bought all the crates I could. Let's see how many that is. I have 190. I had like 100 to begin with. Not too bad. I have 2 mythics. But if I can get... So I want to get some good stuff. Alright guys, that concludes this video. If you want more Mining Simulator, comment down below #MiningSimulator. And yeah, I'll do that. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.